Meaning of encyclical.
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 Encyclical. Encyclical is an adjective that describes something related to a letter or message written by the Pope to be circulated among all the churches in a particular area. It is often used to refer to a papal encyclical, which is a formal letter from the Pope that addresses specific issues of importance to the Catholic Church and its followers. These letters can cover a wide range of topics, such as theology, morality, social justice, and politics. Encyclicals are seen as authoritative statements of church teaching and are intended to guide and instruct Catholics around the world.